Good morning. Today we're doing 2012 VW Polo 1.4, and the customer is complaining the light is flashing on the dashboard. You can see here, and when we put in a drive, like, and it goes straight away D2. When I put park, see, it's skipping the D1. So reverse is okay, car drive, but car have no power, engine light is on, and when input D, it skip D1 and it goes direct to the D2. This is a very common problem in the mechatronic unit of VW Audis, and when we're going to diagnose this one, so I am going to diagnose and I'm going to show you. If you can see what code is coming on there, yeah, you can see P1731, gear position distance sensor 3, electrical error, stuck in gear 5th, impossible signal. That's the problem. That's the very common problem. One P173C and 1731. This is a very common. So if you have the problem of like that, so you have to bring the car. We're gonna refurbish the mechatronic unit, and the car will be ready same day, and you can drop the car and pick up. You can drop the car in the morning and pick up in the evening. We are in Hounslow. 07402536382. My phone number is, and you can see my other video as well. We are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango 167 Hanworth Road, Hounslow. You can contact me through WhatsApp and send me the error code. What is the problem in the car? We're gonna book it for you, and we're gonna fix the car same day. So if you have the problem like that, you can contact me through WhatsApp, call, or messages, or email, and we will come back to you. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye. Take care.